Do you guys think that we could beat 2 Hall of Famers in a duel to 10 strikes? I guess you're just gonna have to find out.
Bang! Also, like, if you want, like, we're pretty close on 100,000 subscribers, so you know you could make that happen right there.
Are we going first?
No. We settle this thing with a rock paper scissors on the channel.
Rock paper scissors. All right. I'm not very good at rock paper scissors. So
Dad, he's got a telling you already.
I know. Come on. No, now I'm up for the challenge.
Let's go now.
It's best 2 of 3. Okay. I see what he's doing. He's doing scissors every time. I'm not dumb.
2 out of 3.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot.
All right, rules are first to 10.
Damn.
My bad. That's the camera. This thing's over.
Already?
Yeah.
Just know that the lefties are throwing reactive and they're throwing purple hammer. So.
We were just trying to figure out why you guys were here, so we're using the gear.
Alright, fair enough.
Why we got the auto bid into the open?
That's a good one.
Okay, Kev. Okay.
I feel like you need to do that.
Got nervous. That's a little hard. Pull it firm. That's the first time I throw a shot in the meeting in a while.
That's it?
That's all we need.
Just 10 straight, here we come.
We get house t-shirts if we win.
You're getting our signed jerseys, remember?
We made the deal. If they beat us, we'd give them signed jerseys, and if we beat them, they give us signed jerseys. It seems like a fair deal to me. I will say that Tommy did line us up before this.
I'm not playing where Tommy told me to play. He tried to sabotage me. Oh yeah.
That's 14 pounds too, Packy.
Is it really?
You damn right. Come on, man.
That means it hooks less. Did you actually haul Arsenal?
I didn't know we were both snowman doubles pattern. What the hell was that?
I didn't realize we were having to be serious. That's how they would like fold like a cheap suit.
We want these jerseys.
It's early.
Fold like a cheap suit.
I don't really know that either.
Tommy's making jokes from the early
Do cheaper
2000s.
suits fold easier? Is that I don't know.
I assume so. I don't own a suit, so that's the problem I
And I
have.
only own cheap ones, so I have nothing to compare it to. I got nothing to compare it on.
Come off it.
Yeah, they got us, Tom. They got the snowman double.
Tommy
also
you can't throw it in the gutter, so ever since then
they
I tried to
also
throw it
picked
in.
the one way Matt Sanders bowled on for 3 hours, so he's got to
I mean,
over there.
we can switch at intermission. Do you want to switch?
No, we like the challenge.
Oh, okay.
I bowled on
We've been trying to beat you guys with a thumb in it and less rev rate for years.
Sorry, I was thrown off by intermission. This is a Broadway musical.
It's like a TV timeout, but with like popcorn and snacks. I was gonna say, we'd even let you switch patterns if you want.
Okay, we're getting a little too cocky here.
I haven't bowled on any other things besides these.
So we'll be on this side now. So you guys.
We went first. We're down 5-3.
5-3.
5-3. They haven't missed yet.
To be honest,
You're damn right. Say it again.
I was a little surprised that you guys have 3 strikes.
That approach is stickier over there. You got to be careful. Because I really thought that one was a little stickier, especially around.
It's a good thing Packy plants, am I right?
I was gonna say, little do they know, I slide about 3 inches.
Uh-huh.
And the sticky spot was on like 26. So you got to try to get in the middle of that.
All right.
All right, Packy, just try to throw it in the gutter, you know?
Let me re-rack this. I'm on. Yeah, go ahead.
I need tape or something. Like something's not feeling right. Nervous.
The approach got you,
It
didn't
was
it?
that sticky spot.
The approach definitely got you.
Oh, Willis, talk to him.
Oh! It touched it. It touched it. Just wait. I'll throw mine harder than you. Hook.
He just moved like 7 on us and then walked it out.
I want to make sure that the process is the same. I made it sticky for you.
I don't know if you know this, but I bowled against Norm for 20 years. Those games are no good.
Oh, okay.
Nothing?
Tom, I think we're in trouble.
I told you. Is that where you usually slide that far back?
No, you made me stop. Put that in your song. That's
Tommy
your new song
Jones.
called Got 'Em.
I just need to get the D's Nuts guy to get on it with me.
Play.
Like 17 to like somewhere to the left. 17 to like, I don't know, 6? 7?
17
17 to 7.
17 just to the left.
17 to 7.
Rules, pot games. Brooklyn's don't count. Brooklyn's are gutter spares, since we're not counting those.
I guess we won't count that.
That's fair.
We'll give them some. We'll give them some handicap. Bang bang. Updated count 6-4.
Go a little slower.
Does that mean when you guys get to 5, we can switch lanes back? Hook. Oh my god.
You may not even have to bowl.
That ball, yeah, you probably beat us.
Yeah,
Can
I
I-
think you're all done.
Can I just forfeit my turn?
0.
Oh,
Got it.
all right. What do we got? 5?
Yeah.
What do you guys have?
7.
7.
7-5. But they're up a shot. Fortunately, that counts.
Can you explain to me one thing? How at the end of the last 2 years' points list have we been behind these guys? Or ahead of these guys with their carry?
I don't know.
I don't understand. They put the pocket twice. Some guys got it.
I'm more of a finalist than a champion. Correct. Bill, I'll give you the opportunity to make that for a strike.
Bill literally hit me with it. I haven't been on camera in 10 months. I was a little nervous. You got it.
My last frame on camera was the 1-2-4-8 that I chopped in the playoffs. Yeah.
44 with a thumb, boys.
6? 6 to what? 9? We have the 9, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is for a game?
This is for games.
Okay.
You got movie references. You could ask how you want game point put up. Could be like shaker, trip set.
You want me to call it?
What do you call it?
You want me to call it? Messenger 7.
Yes. Comes with
That's great. He
red
hasn't
head.
got one on the left side of the head pin yet, but it's on there. Tell somebody in the comments to explain to him what a messenger is.
That was gonna be
They'll tell us. Don't.
Well, here comes the MVP. Not you, Bill. Oh, that's butter.
That was pretty good.
We
We
moved-
right in front. Roll, hitting the spot this wide.
Yeah.
And you got 10.
When we lose, we just go like this. Just hold it.
And the right hands.
Or just one hand.
You know how bad I want to throw it right-handed?
We should have started 2 up.
Throw it right-handed to win, Kev.
We should have started 2 up. Or 2 less hands. 4 up.
For the win. Oh!
Supposed to hook up one too, Tommy.
Okay, well, you know I'm not going to strike, so we just gave him.
Hold like Anthony Lavery right handed. Look like him.
The stutter step. He hit it with a stutter.
I can't not do it, guys. It's in my blood. Yeah, I have a whole new set of feet.
I think they could bowl right-handed and beat it.
Yeah, you'll definitely get another shot. I have no idea. Left lane was fine.
I told you, like 17 to 7. So like 20 for you.
We're gonna. If I pick the 6 straight off this clean, urethane ball, we're tied. We got all right. I knew he wasn't gonna strike. That's
All I
why.
hear in my back.
So you want to go through the baby split for one? He's trying to give us.
All I hear,
Try to get
I'm
back
up
in.
there and I'm like, if I pick the 6 off of this.
If I get the 6 clean out of this, it's 9-9. All right. Yeah.
Okay, Kevin.
You know what? That's fine. I'll take that. I'll take that.
If I
you're good.
stone 8, it's 9-9.
If I stone eight,
As we go.
yeah. What happens if you strike though?
If you trip 4, it's 9,
10-9.
8.
It's 9-8.
That's 2 pins we win.
No!
I said 2 pin, didn't
I
I?
said if that's 2 pins we win. As soon as you let go of it.
Tommy goes, if he trips 4, it's 9-8 us.
We just lose one and then gain one.
He's got sharp as attack. I haven't seen him.
I can't wait. I can't wait to put you guys' jerseys up in my fucking studio. It's gonna look great. It's gonna be great.
We appreciate you guys. We'll give you a sympathy shot here. What's the score? It's 10.
Well, we were ahead of them one month.
Yeah, it's 10 something. No, it's not.
I gotta throw another. I gotta leave on a strike.
Yeah, let's just for the people. We'll give them some bonus shots.
Plainly embarrassed. Like you.
Just like that. Hey,
I know
again,
you guys did that on purpose.
What?
You guys,
Great bowling.
You guys let us win because it's like our
great
thing.
bowling.
We appreciate that.
Team here, trying to build your confidence.
We need way more
They-
confidence than you guys going into the
They
tour
knew
season,
whose
that's for
jerseys
sure.
were more valuable.
Yeah.
So they
yeah, why would
decided-
we waste one of our jerseys? I need that for the tour season.